my name's Diane and I'm a very happy and grateful customer of Perfect Supplements Australia. I've been a customer now for over a year and my favourite product is the desiccated liver capsules. They have now been a part of mine and my family's life for the last year and have made so much difference. First and foremost, I am a mother to 3 beautiful girls. I have a 3-year-old, 2-year-old and 1-year-old and a wife to an amazing husband. These desiccated liver capsules have improved not only my well-being but also my husband and my children's. For most of my life I've suffered from iron deficiency, and having polycystic ovarian syndrome, it doesn't help my iron levels. I suffer from extremely heavy menstrual cycles for 7 days straight, so I have a lot of blood loss. Another issue in regards to iron deficiency and PCOS is that too much iron can cause an overload, which can lead to insulin resistance and diabetes. So I have to be careful with my course of treatment. So after many years of iron injections, transfusions, over-the-counter supplements, which cause chronic constipation, I gave up on trying to correct my iron deficiency. But after becoming a mother of 3 beautiful girls, I started to notice the signs of iron deficiency in them, and a doctor confirmed that they as well had iron deficiency. So I didn't want to start them on injections, so we started them on iron supplements, and it caused chronic constipation in them as well, to the point where they were refusing to go to the toilet and would scream in pain every time they had to. So after removing them off the supplements, I did some extensive research, looking up every alternative to iron supplements to try and find something that will help. I even tried to feed them liver, which they gagged and ran away. Finally, I found Perfect Supplements Australia and their desiccated liver capsules. So I thought, why not? It's natural, there's nothing artificial, and there's nothing added to them. And being a family that doesn't include gluten, vegetable oil, sugar and any sugar pseudonyms in our diet, it sounded perfect for us. So I thought, let's give it a go. After about a month, they were showing signs of improvement, and it was amazing. Even in myself, there was a big difference. My fatigue and a lot of my symptoms of iron deficiency had reduced or disappeared. And even in my kids, their fatigue and their brittle nails had all started to disappear and correct themselves. So even my husband started to show signs of improvement with his fatigue, which I thought was just from working a long day at work, but it's also helped him to be a bit more brighter after work. So after a year of better health, for not just me but my entire family, I'll never touch another iron supplement, have another iron transfusion again, and I don't think anyone in my family will ever have to either. So after finding these desiccated liver capsules, they have become my saving grace and my family's when it comes to iron deficiency, and what more could I ask for? So I've even got family members onto it, with my mum trying them and noticing a big difference, as she also has an autoimmune disease. So I just want to thank Tammy and the team at Perfect Supplements Australia for the great product and drive and determination to keep this amazing product available to us in Australia. So thank you.